What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something super special for the F350 build and I'm going to show it to you right now. Alright, so I told you guys I wanted to do something else on the channel and then we might have a little bit of a more project on our hands. We got this little drift trike. It's nothing crazy, but I thought it was pretty cool. I sold my other wheels and got this in a trade too, so I thought it'd be fun. Gotta do a little bit of work on it, but no big deal. Super easy for me. Yeah, so shout out to DBA Automotive. They sent us everything we need for 12 rock lights, including a controller to make it all plug and play with the remote. And then I also got these, which you'll see when we install them. You know, I really love the stock one, but just the way it lights up, I'm just not a fan of it. The Ford thing inside is cool. I mean, these bad boys are going in. Oh yeah. But if you guys wondered, here, let's make them the right way first. That's the difference. So if you guys noticed me struggling, I think it was mostly because I was trying to put the mirror cap on with the puddle light still in, and it's literally impossible. And I was like, there's no way this fits. I popped it out, it slid right on, and then the whole time I was trying to put the puddle light on backwards, and then it maybe took me an extra 20 minutes to figure that out. So bad on my part, but the second one will go super quick then. Best way to explain it, these are trash, awful. These are good, or as good as I'm gonna get for now. Let's put it in. Alrighty, Fox shocks are in. Both sides. Man, this side was rough. This shock is only a few months old and it did not want to come out. If you can tell how nasty it is now and how much shit I have on it. Alright, so I've been dying to wash this thing ever since we got it back from Ford, and after installing the shocks and everything, I'm going to give it a pretty good detail. I'm going to try to be fast. It's a little windy and it's still a little sunny out, but it's almost sunset, so we're just going to have to hurry and get it the best we can.